Airalo eSIM discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at Airalo eSIM. So let's get into it. So Airalo is an eSIM service where you can purchase eSIM pretty much all over the world, and the link to the website will be in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your checkout page to save a bunch of money. Let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the website, and the sign up process is actually pretty simple. You just simply hit the sign up button and just hit one of the socials, and it'll take a second and you're basically good to go. And there you go. I'm now logged in and I can go ahead and purchase some of the plans. So it's as simple as that. Just scroll down below, you'll find all the locations over here, the popular locations, the local, the regional, and the global as well. Scroll back up on the search bar. You can search for all the locations you want. So for example, I search for Turkey. You can just simply click on it and it will give me all the data, or basically give me all the options that are available in Turkey. So here you can see this is the network that we're going to be working with, Turkey Telecom, and these are going to be all the data available. So this is the standard package and this is the ultimate package. The standard one, you can see all of the pricing. You can see right here, this is how it looks like. And then we have the ultimate, you can see all the pricing over here. And of course, if you want a wider, broader coverage, let's say all Europe, then it's going to be 450 euros per package, well, starting from that, and then it'll increase the pricing as you increase the days or increase your unlimited or increase the gigabytes. So here you go. For 10 days unlimited, it's going to be 31, and for standard, if you want it for, let's say, more than 1 day, let's say you're staying there for like a month, then this is the price over here. You can get the 90-day one, which is 50 gigabytes, 89 euros. So pretty cool, right? So yeah. And then you just simply select one of the plans, right? And click on buy now. And then here on the checkout page, scroll down and you can just simply click over here. And then in here, you can just simply apply the code and get a massive discount. It's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.